Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Code's Arcade. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very important concept in Python, that is data structure. This data structure concept is a very important concept where we have this concept not only in Python, we have data structure concept in other programming languages also like Java and C++. We have this data structure concept. And what do you mean by this data structure? So what exactly this data structure says? See, data structure is a way to store and organize the data so that it can be accessed effectively. In simple words, we can say that organizing the data in such a way that where we can use that data effectively or easily. So, as I said, this data structure is a very important concept, and data structure is a way of organizing the data. When I say organizing the data, what do you mean by this? So, let us take the example of schools and college library. So, in library, the books are organized in a proper way, right? In efficient way, so that students can easily borrow that books. Let's say in college library there are three racks. One is physics rack, and another one is chemistry rack, and one more rack is biology rack. So this is physics rack, and this is chemistry, and this one bio. So if students hits the library and if he want to borrow physics book, he can search in physics rack, and if he want to borrow chemistry book, he can search the books in chemistry rack, and if he want to study biology, he can search the books in biology rack. So why? Because everything is properly organized and properly arranged, right? Books will be properly arranged in library. So this is just where students can easily get the books, and if the books are not properly organized in an efficient way, it leads to time consuming. Obviously, lot of time will be taken by the student to select the books which they want to learn, right? So organizing data is very important. So if we take our real life example also, if we arrange the things according to our needs, then our day will be very easy, right? We can get the things very easily. So organizing data is very important. So this is about data structure, and in Python, this Python helps to learn the fundamental of the data structure in a simple way. As compared to other programming languages, Python helps to learn these fundamentals in a simple way so that you guys won't get confused while learning this data structure concept. And choosing the appropriate data structure for a program is the most important task for the developer or a programmer. So that is why we have to study this data structure concept, and also this data structure concept leads to we can easily get to know when to use which data structure. So this is about what is data structure, and also why data structure is important, right? And in Python we can divide data structure into two categories. In Python we can divide this into two categories. One is built-in data structure, and another one is user-defined data structure. So in built-in data structure, what comes in built-in data structure? List, tuple, set, and also dictionary. These are the built-in data structure. And in user-defined data structure, we have stack, queue, linked list, tree, and then graph. These are the two categories that we have in Python data structure. One is built-in data structure and another one is user-defined data structure. So in the next video, I will be explaining about this concept. So till then, stay tuned and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates regarding our YouTube videos. Thank you.